I get a lot of phone calls from people with trouble with their smoke detectors beeping once every minute or so, and they've got no idea how to get them off and change the battery. The truth is, it's very, very simple, and I'm going to show you how. Step 1, turn the power off. Step 2, get the correct tools. You do not need one of these. You do not need one of these. All you need is one of these, and that is all you'll ever need to gain access to your smoke alarm. Step 3, look for instructions on the alarm telling you what to do. Here it says turn anti-clockwise to remove and push the slot to do so. And it is that simple. And here it says prise fly lead away from alarm. And I've got the alarm off. And there you go, access to the battery for you to change yourself. And finally, just reverse exactly what I've done to get it back on. Job done.